Hello and thank you so much. This is Joanna, aka Mellow Snail. I cannot express how overwhelmed and happy I am with all the positive feedback I have received from each and every one of you. Thank you so much and welcome to the channel. Let's make one of the last spreads for the month of July together. I took so many pictures of my daughter that went with me to journal last week at the beach. The sunset was beautiful that day, and I didn't get to journal that much because the beach was closing, but I just wanted to show you how the spread ended up being. This spread is very simple, and I used pretty much the same supplies to set up my August cover page. As usual, I'm gonna be listing all of the supplies and items I used for this video in the description box below for you. I was kind of having a little hard time here trying to choose the stickers that I wanted to use for these. They are very pretty and gorgeous. It was really hard for me to choose. I will post a little short showing you how I made those little paper doilies using my die cutter and embossing machine that I've had for years. I just forgot about it, and when I rediscovered that, I made so many of those things using scrapbooking papers that I got from Daiso. I'm gonna have to make a few more using some other type of paper and some other prints. I promise that for next month, I'm gonna be a little earlier showing you my September setup, which is my birthday month, and also the flip through my pages for the month of August. I am a little late this month, but I learned my lesson. I'm gonna make it earlier next month. I wanted to use something a little bit less color this time because fall is coming, which is my absolutely favorite season of the year. And I wanted to start getting into the browns and the muted greens and things like that. And here it is, very simple, very muted, and hopefully beautiful. I hope you like it. And now let me show you my pages for the month of July. Hopefully you're gonna see something you like or something you get inspired with so you can use it for your own pages. Most of my doodles are really easy to do, but most of the time I use washi tape and stickers, so hopefully you can get inspired by some of these pages. So that's it for today. Again, thank you so much for joining me in my art journey. I hope to grow with you in my channel, and I appreciate each and every one of you subscribing to my channel and writing those beautiful comments for me. Check out the video that I'm gonna leave you in the corner here so you can see how I set up the month of June, which was kind of different from July and from August. So hopefully you get another inspiration for another type of design. I hope you have a wonderful week and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.